Hi, I'm Andrea from Mafra, and today we'll discover together Maniac, the new line for you, real car care maniacs. Foam Gun Pre-Wash. Foam Pre-Wash for foam guns. Let's check out together its characteristics and how it works. Powerful and safe foam pre-wash with dry and compact foam. Wax safe. It respects the protections applied on paint. High cleaning power. It removes smog, road dirt, and gnats. Excellent economy thanks to its high dilution ratios. Here we have a car whose last wash was more than 2 weeks ago. We have gnats, mud, dripping, and stains of different kinds. More generally, stubborn dirt strongly stuck to the surface, which must be removed before manual shampooing. Although you wash your car manually and with care, why do micro scratches and stripes appear on the car body wash after wash? And when you empty the bucket after wash, do you happen to find residual dirt, such as soil at the bottom? If the answer is yes, it means that nobody has ever taught you the correct wash procedure. Let's see it together. By following the correct wash procedure, we start from the cleaning of rims and tires and their decontamination. The next step is the pre-wash. It should be done before performing the manual wash with shampoo. Pre-wash is the pivotal step which makes the difference. In fact, we'll remove up to 80% of coarse dirt on the car body without any mechanical action, therefore without touching it. If not removed in this stage, dirt particles stubbornly stuck to the car body during manual wash are conveyed by the glove or washing sponge, causing micro scratches called swirls and stripes called rids. Only now can we proceed with the manual wash in complete safety. If you want to learn more about the correct wash procedures, watch the dedicated video. We can dispense the product in different methods, depending on the type of dirt present on the car. With dilution 1 to 10, 1 part of product, 10 parts of water with atomizer, for a localized action on hard dirt. Its formula removes even the most stubbornly stuck dirt with no need for mechanical action. The low parts of the car are the dirtiest. Let's dispense the product at low pressure, diluted 1 to 10 directly on the dirt. We'll get a performing and localized action ideal on difficult dirt, such as gnats and mud. To help you dilute the products, we've come up with a simple and immediate graphic solution on our sized bottles, which helps you make the most common dilutions. For exteriors, we have designed the most common dilutions: 1 to 1, 1 to 3, 1 to 5, 1 to 10, 1 to 15, and 1 to 20. Graphics indicate how much water to pour. Complete the filling with the desired product. You'll easily and quickly get the desired solution. Then let's thoroughly rinse off with high pressure by using the jet while removing coarse residues. This way, thanks to the kinetic energy of the high pressure cleaner, we'll remove the dirt that the emollient action of the pre-wash detached from the support. In summer, if you are under the sun or at high temperature, we suggest washing and rinsing 1 panel at a time. With the foam gun, we start dispensing the product all over the surface of the car bottom up. The use of the foam gun generates a compact and sticky foam, which rapidly melts the dirt, making it very easy to rinse. We suggest leaving the product on for about 5 minutes. You'll notice that the foam from compact begins to fall off. This is the right time to rinse with plenty of water. After a thorough rinse, we are ready to move on to the next wash step using manual shampoo. So, for low parts and localized dirt, directly spray the diluted product 1 to 10 and rinse off. Then disperse it with the foaming technique, always bottom up. Dilute foam gun pre-wash 1 to 5 for winter dirt, 1 to 10 for summer dirt, and rinse with a high-pressure water jet. So these are the characteristics of foam gun pre-wash. Can I dispense the product even without foam gun? Yes, you can dispense it by using the Nebula Foam manual pump. In this case, dilute foam gun pre-wash 1 to 50 for winter dirt, therefore 2 caps of product in 1 liter of water, and for summer dirt, dilute 1 to 100, therefore 1 cap of product in 1 liter of water. We recommend working on 1/2 of the car at a time so that the foam never dries on the surface. Remember to do it always bottom up. Can I use it without high-pressure cleaner? Yes, even though in this case you won't have the same performance. You'll get an emollient action which helps soften the dirt, making its removal easier. Do I dispense the product on the surface, or should I wet the car completely, removing dust and coarse dirt? Our suggestion, especially in summer, is to wet the car to cool the surface. Yes, some of you can say that I dilute the product by dispensing it on a wet surface. However, the dilution is minimum, but the safety of use will greatly increase, especially because we will be sure that we work on a cool surface where the product can act more effectively. Once I have dispensed the product on the surface, can I use a brush or a sponge? No, you may have seen it on some videos, but if you think about it, it's not correct. In this stage, we are removing the stubbornly stuck coarse dirt from the surface. Let's leave the product on and benefit from its chemical action. At a next stage, during shampooing, we'll perform a mechanical action by using a glove, a washing sponge, or brushes to work on details. What are the fundamental operations before proceeding with the car pre-wash? The first step for the car wash is always the cleaning of tires and rims. To do this, we recommend using wheel and tire cleaner at each wash. In case of contamination from iron minerals, we recommend removing them with iron remover. For these products, we recommend watching the dedicated video. We recommend using neutral foam shampoo for a maintenance wash, black and wrap shampoo for dark, matte, or wrapped cars, ceramic shampoo to add a ceramic protection to your wash. Learn more about the products by watching the dedicated video. Finally, some tips. As always, make sure the car surface is not hot. Before using the product in summer, rinse the car to cool the surface or to remove the first layer of dirt. Thanks for watching us. Keep on following us on our social media channels for more videos and tips. Cheers from Andrea.